Greetings to all of you traders out there, wherever you are in the world. This AZZAM Karmaya from AT channel, specialized in analyzing and coding trading strategies to help traders to improve their work. Today I will talk about a scalping strategy. We will explain the rules, test it and finally code it, to see if this strategy is actually working. So let's start. This strategy includes 3 free trading view indicators. Now let's go ahead and add them to our chart. The first one is parabolic SAR by Evercut. The second one is 100 EMA. And the third is squeeze momentum indicator. Now our strategy is ready, let's go into trading rules. For a long signal to be valid, we must get a buy signal from parabolic SAR indicator. Then we have to put a horizontal line to determine the last selling blue dot that appeared above the candles just before the first buy dot appears. If this line is breached by a closed candle above it, then we enter, but if the candles bounce down, we don't enter. And the horizontal line that we put must be above the 100 EMA. And the last condition is squeeze momentum indicator must be green or dark red. Now we can take a long position. Our stop loss must be at the bottom of the same candle that the line was above. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1.25. And now let's move on to short condition. For a short signal to be valid, we must get a sell signal from parabolic SAR indicator. Then we have to put a horizontal line to determine the last buying blue dot that appeared below the candles just before the first sell dot appears. If this line is breached by a closed candle below it, then we enter, but if the candles bounce up, we don't enter. And the horizontal line that we put must be below the 100 EMA. And the last condition is squeeze momentum indicator must be red or dark green. Now we can take a short position. Our stop loss must be at the top of the same candle that the line was below. And the risk to reward ratio will be 1.25. And now we're gonna try a few trades.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Step it up, don't be scared.
Now it's time to code it to see if it's actually working and what the win rate is. And we're finally done. I will put a link to this code down below in description and it's completely free. Now, let's see the result. As we can see, the win rate is 50%. But if you used this strategy with Heiken Ashi candles, you will get 69%. And we have many options here, you can choose from them. You can use only long or short trades. Use reversal trade. Use stop loss to break even. And you can use different types of stop loss and take profit, like percentage, ATR, higher high lower low, or pips. You can also use max trade per direction. And multiple take profit level. And you can choose a specific time to trade. You can also link this code to a bot like Wunder Trading or 3Commerce or Alert Atron by just copying the bot A order to this panel. If you would like to check and try this strategy by yourself, then I provided the link in the description down below. So you can use it, but carefully. And this was all. I hope it was helpful for you. If you like the content, hit the subscribe button. Good luck and stay tuned for another video.